Today I'm going to be reviewing Benadryl's anti-itch gel. This stuff works really well on cuts, sunburns, poison ivy, all sorts of stuff. Of course, if you have deep wounds, you do not want to use it for this. The bottle may have changed a little bit, but this is my go-to. Any cuts, like little paper cuts or anything like that, just put it on there. It will help. Definitely helps with sunburn, poison ivy. I've used it for everything. I've used it on my son. My wife has used it. It works really well. What can I say? And you know how you know this works? It's an Amazon overall pick. It's got 4.6 stars. As everyone knows, I like to see at least 4.4. There's 41,000 ratings on this. That's a lot. And in September of 2025, 50,000, that's right, 50,000 of these have been sold. So this is definitely the go-to. If you want to go find another brand, cheaper brand, you can find it, but this stuff works. It works really well. So if you're looking for itch, scratch, poison ivy relief, sunburn relief, go for the Benadryl. Extra strength, 2% diphenhydramine. I hope this review helps. I'll see you next time.